Not all AI is the same. Some AI already exists, and it became part of our daily life. Some AI is still theoretical, and some forms of AI only exist in science fiction. So, in this video, we are going to break down the 7 types of AI in the simplest way possible. We can commonly classify artificial intelligence into 2 ways. The first is based on capability. In other words, how intelligent the system is. The second is based on functionality. We can consider how the system behaves and what it can do. When we combine these 2 classifications, we can get 7 different types of AI. Let's first understand AI types based on its capabilities. The first type is narrow AI, also called weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform one specific task. It can become extremely good at that task, sometimes even better than humans, but it cannot operate outside the area it was trained for. For example, voice assistants, Netflix suggestions, face recognition, image generation tools, and Google Maps traffic prediction are all examples of narrow AI. Let me tell you the interesting fact about this AI. Well, this is the only type of AI we have right now. So yes, even the most advanced AI models created by OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, are actually still narrow AI. That means ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and Microsoft Copilot may look incredibly powerful, but they are still designed to perform specific tasks under human guidance. So, despite all the hype and excitement around modern AI, we are still living in the era of narrow AI. So, if everything we use today is still just narrow AI, so you might be wondering what more comes? The next level of AI called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, also known as strong AI. AGI would be a very different kind of AI from narrow AI, which designed to do a specific task. AGI not limited one task, but it could learn almost anything, adapt to new situations, and solve problems it has never seen before without new training. In simple terms, AGI would work more like a human. If it learned how to write, it could also learn how to drive, run a business, do scientific research, or even come up with completely new ideas without needing separate training for each task. It would learn from its mistakes and get better over time, completely by itself, just like we do. But here is the interesting fact. AGI does not exist yet right now. It's just a theoretical idea. And one of the biggest goals that AI companies are working hard to achieve this. So, if AGI sounds powerful, the next level takes things even further, right? Yes, this third type AI is called as Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI, also known as Super AI. If AGI is like a human-level mind, ASI would be like a mind far beyond human intelligence. We aren't just talking about a computer that is as smart as the world's best scientists or engineers. We are talking about something that is smarter than all of them combined. ASI could invent new medicines in seconds, solve complex global problems we've been stuck on for decades, and design breakthrough technologies we can't even imagine yet. It would think, learn, and make decisions at a speed humans simply can't touch. So, if simply say, narrow AI is a specialist, AGI is like human mind, and ASI would be like a super genius compared to the rest of us. Now, it may sound like a sci-fi movie. Well, for now it is. Superintelligence does not exist today. It's still just a theory, and it's one of the biggest and most heavily debated ideas about the future of technology. So in this Part 1 video, we explored AI based on capability. In Part 2, we'll look at AI based on how it thinks and interacts with the world. See you in Part 2.